bright futures, casting poetics, and invocation. As artists, activists, and academics, as a people learning to move past, through, and over, to reorder, to name and claim multiple identities, through language, listening, and yes, this is how your family, known and unknown, strange and estranged, got here. You are what became of y'all. And because you are what became of y'all, you must hear yourself being called by many names. You will answer. You are the answer. You have to answer for them all. You have to stand in the gaps of those called by names other than their self-naming. And because you answer to the name calling, you ponder, you preach, you poet, you pray, you tweet, you essay, you sermon, you post, you pen, you hear voices. You recognize them in every form and format. You write them down. And because you write them down, you must know that you can be broken and spoken through. You must know that you're being called into this world to speak with new tongue. And because you speak with new tongue, you must know this. This is not hard to swallow. You are a new jawbone, and your name will be witness, and your name will be testimony, and your name will be archive. And because you're archive, you hold in every breath the creativity, the idea, the notion, the invention, the advance, the recipe, the new way, the revision, and the retelling. You put a new spin on things. And because you spin things, you must get out of control. You must let it be free, throw it out, start again, write the course, move the cursor, new primary source, new secondary source. You must know you are creation, and all of creation is all of creation. And because this is creation, this is not the end of anything. You are in motion. You are astir. You are commotion. You must know for this knowing. And because you know for this knowing, know this. You are the distillation. You are the condensation. You are the essence. It will all come back to you, flooding back and sent ahead for you. That this whole thing, this journey, this pursuit, and this sojourn has always been about love.